Welcome back to the workshop, and as you can see, we've had a big rearrange. What I've done is moved the lathe from one side to the other, and in doing so I found a much more rigid location for it in the shed. It's now very tough to cause any wobble whatsoever compared to this side where actually it moved around quite a bit. But the biggest change is behind the camera. So this is the side of the workshop you don't see very often, and if you have caught a glimpse of it before, you'll know that I had two shelving units on this back wall, and now one is missing. I also shifted around some of the other things. I might move this drill press that you saw earlier either onto the other side of the workshop or maybe get rid of it entirely, because you can see here is the tape outline for a new piece of machinery that's going to be joining my workshop shortly. I've created an outline for a wooden plinth which I'll be screwing into the floor and screwing into the joists, and the new machine will be sitting on top of this. So if you want to see what that is, stay tuned.